Cauliflower and pumpkin curry. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion. Finely slice 4 garlic cloves. Grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Cut 1 small cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Peel half a pumpkin. Chop the pumpkin into bite-sized pieces. Shred a large handful of kale or spinach. Heat a pot on a high heat. Add 3 whole cardamom pods. Add 4 cloves. Add half a teaspoon of cracked pepper and saute until aromatic. Add the onion and saute until soft and brown. Add a little vegetable stock to deglaze the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, cumin and coriander. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Add 1 stick of cinnamon and stir. Add 1 cup of tomatoes. Add a tablespoon of ginger. Add 4 cloves of garlic and stir well. Cook for a few minutes until thick. Add the chopped pumpkin, add the cauliflower and stir. Add 4 cups of vegetable stock, cover with a lid, bring to the boil and stir. Reduce the heat, replace the lid and cook until the pumpkin is soft but still firm. Place 1 cup of soaked cashews in a food processor. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Add a cup of water and puree until smooth. Add the cashew cream to the curry and stir. Add the juice of half a lemon. Add salt to taste. Add the spinach and kale and stir. Serve with cooked brown rice.